Hello, good morning. This is Rajesh Sharma again. This is my fifth video downloading and uploading today. And this video is based on the NCERT knowledge, which is very helpful, so helpful for the SST students and humanity students and one who are preparing for civil services, IAS and PCS exam. So, in political science class 10, chapter number 2 is what the name of the chapter? The chapter name is federalism. Federalism is also a very important topic. Federalism, Hindi mein, it is in Sangvad. The provision of federalism is Indian Constitution borrowed from Constitution of Canada. From Canada, we borrowed the process of federalism. What is federalism? Federalism means it is both first and second lesson of political science class 10th are interrelated. If you prepare one lesson, then another lesson will be automatically prepared. In this first lesson of class 10 political science, we read that what the name of the topic? Power sharing. And what is in now coming on the second lesson of political science class 10, what is the name of lesson? The name of the lesson is federalism. Federalism meaning is the division of power between center and state. Division of power between center and state. My earlier video, I just defined how in Indian Constitution the power division of power is described in 7th list according to central list, according to state list, according to concurrent list in residuary powers. Central list, very important subjects are defined, finally decision taken by the central government. In a state list, the very important subjects are defined, finally exist in the decision making power hand over to the state government. And in the concurrent list borrowed from Australia. Concurrent list, like the example I giving you the example, the like the education, like family planning, etc. Education, earlier it was the subject was the part of the central list, but now it is the part of the concurrent list. Why it replaced into concurrent list? Because in concurrent list, if any dispute arise between center and state, then final decision is taken by the central government. And finally, I am talking about the power sharing system, that the fourth, the important decision, important subjects are describing and divided into first central list, second state list, third concurrent list, and fourth is all the remaining part subjects are defining in the residuary powers. So residuary powers is finally exist in central government, given Avshisht Shakti is finally given to the central government. So it was the brief description, and the power sharing and federalism, these two topics of political science class 10th are interrelated to each other. And the meaning of federalism is the division of power between center and state. And in the first lesson of political science, first chapter of political science is describing the power sharing, which means that how the powers are describing how our powers are divided between two segments. And so power sharing issue, in by the help of Panchayati Raj, we provide the local self-government, local decision-making power to the village people. And by the help of the 11th schedule and 12th schedule are related to Panchayati Raj bill and to Nagar Palika bill. And by the help of the Nagar Palika, by the help of the 11th schedule of Indian Constitution, we provide the authority of decision making power to the people and native of the city, and they elect their representative for Nagar Palika and Nagar Nigam. They are known as Parshad. And by the help of the 12th schedule, total schedule and Indian Constitution are now 12th schedule. By the help of the 12th schedule, we provide an opportunity for the people of the village area to elect their representative, they are known as member, and the member elected to the up pradhan and pradhan is there, and pradhan is the village pradhan. It is a panchayati raj system there. The pradhan is an existing power. It is pradhan, and the panchayati raj is the example of local self government. So understand, finally I am explaining in one line the meaning of power sharing is the division of power in a systematic and sophisticated manner, between the groups is known as power sharing. And also the federalism means the division of power between center state. So these two topics, federalism and power sharing, both are interrelated to each other. And thank you very much for watching me. I'm available you all the time. You see my videos on the Rajiv Sharma's knowledge of the world. Thank you so much.